yung tungkol sa vote buying, ni lahat niya mga ka-eksena, lahat daw ng mga kongresista, lahat daw sila ay alam ang kalakaran sa vote buying, o tinuturo niya lahat daw sila, ganon, may ginagawang illegal, pumalag. Gustong ipabura ni Kong De Lima yung mga pinagsasabi niyang kasinungalingan. Pasok mo.
Suspension. This representation approached Representative Leviste, and I was asking him about his claim, the general claim, that everybody in this hall has engaged in vote buying. So I was telling him, can you please withdraw that particular portion because we find it offensive. For the record, this representation does not engage in any vote buying in any elections.
Diba? Yan ang kagaguhan mo kasi, Leviste. Basta makapagkwento ka lang, hindot ka, o di pahiya ka. Diba? Wala, yun lang talaga trabaho niya eh. Gumawa ng intriga, gumawa ng eksena, kahit hindi totoo. Okay, paano mo ngayon niya sasabihin? Kaloka.
Including the last elections of 2025.
Oh.
And I remember Representative Leviste saying that he is willing to withdraw that particular portion. So may we ask Representative Leviste if in fact that is the case, that he has withdrawn, that he is withdrawing that portion because it has no basis, it has no evidence, it's purely speculative, it's offensive, it's unfair to everybody here in this hall. Can we have the answer, please? Because that is a parliamentary
the majority leader
inquiry.
Yes.
to respond.
Mr. Speaker, while we appreciate the sentiments of the Honorable Laila de Lima, I believe part of what she was espousing with regards to the contents of the speech was already part of the motion that be stricken off. Was already part of the motion in which parts of the speech be stricken off in which there was no basis, fact, or evidence.
I
Shoutout po, Ma'am Triselma. Good morning.
understand, Mr. Speaker and Mr. Majority Leader, but we would want it from the mouth himself of Representative Leviste about that
Pahiya.
withdrawal.
Pahiya ang loko-loko.
Majority leader.
Mr.
He's not
Speaker,
just striking out; it's in fact withdrawal on his part.
that
Pwede
being the
po ba?
case, Mr. Speaker, I move to recognize the Honorable Levise.
Thank you,
The
Mr.
Honorable
Speaker.
Levisa is now recognized.
First, I would like to clarify that I meant that there are some, but not all. And there are many members of Congress who do not violate election laws.
Kita mo kang yabang mo ka, hindot ka. Ngayon, para kang kulugo. Diba?
So please do not consider that I said that all. And
Hindi eh. Kanina kasi napanood ko eh. Hindi ko na ipakita sa inyo eh. Sa sinabi niya mga ka-eksena, ang tapang niya pa. Gumagano siya. Tinuturo niya pa lahat. Alam ko lahat eh. Talagang akala mo talaga, alam niya yung mga nangyari sa bawat kongresista yan. Akala mo talaga, siya yung may mata sa lahat. Ka-Diyos.
and I definitely withdraw that there are
Mr. Speaker, the request of this representation is with respect to the withdrawal. No need for any explanation. Is he withdrawing?
yes, but
That
I think also
portion of the speech.
for the benefit of the
Majority
people who are
Leader.
listening.
Mr. Speaker,
I
Majority Leader.
believe that
Order.
party lists
Doesn't need
Majority Leader.
explanation.
not by votes for the most part. And
Mr.
that,
Speaker.
there are many districts in this country where you also don't buy votes. But
During the suspension, his representation
Di pahiya si Lipiste, no? Ina mo ka kasi, mayabang ka rin eh. Ito pa, mga ka-eksena. Meron pa isa, pahiya talaga to. Asan na to? Mata natin Ito pa mga ka-eksena, yung pagpapabura nga. Buong privilege speech ni Kong Leviste ipinapabura sa record ng Kamara. Pero ang alam ko nga mga ka-eksena, yung part lang na kung saan sinabi niya yung tungkol sa vote buying. Pero ito mga ka-eksena, may duda ako dito sa video na to eh. Kasi SM na ito eh. Fake news yan eh. Iba yung meaning nila dyan sa ibig sabihin na buong privilege speech. Sige, tingnan natin kung saan napunta to. Ulitin natin Nawala yung audio. Okay, game.
Speaker.
Is there any objection?
Mr. Speaker, may I give a response before a vote is made
Is
on
there
that?
any objection?
I
There was
object.
a motion.
I
Is there
object.
any objection?
I object.
The chair hears
I
none.
object. I object.
Objection.
Let's
Because
put it
Congressman
into a vote.
Garjola gave money to
All
leaders of
those
my
in
district
favor,
for Vilma and
the
Lucky.
motion of the
Tingnan mo siya, oh, daldal pa rin siya ng daldal, oh. Ang dami pa rin niyang sinasabing akusasyon, oh. Ayan, oh. Hindi na nga siya pinapansin kasi hindi na nga, wala na nga sa ayos, wala na sa tama yung sinasabi. Oh, wait lang ha. Ulitin natin.
Is there any objection?
Mr. Speaker, may I give a response before a vote is made
Is
on
there
that?
any objection?
I
There
object.
was a motion.
I
Is there
object.
any objection?
I object.
The chair hears
I
none.
object. I object.
Objection.
Let's
Because
put it
Congressman
into a vote.
Garjola gave money to
All
leaders of my
those in
district
favor,
for Vilma and
the
Lucky.
motion of the Honorable Garin, please say aye.
Batangas can test.
Ay!
All those against?
Sumigaw na sigarin ba yun? Sigarin ba yun? Hoy!
Mr. Speaker,
Ulitin natin.
Motion is now carried.
I just have a point of order.
Gave money to
All
leaders of my
those in
district
favor,
for Vilma
the
and Lucky.
motion of the Honorable Garin, please say aye.
Batangas can test.
Ay!
All those against?
Objection.
Motion is now carried.
I just have a point of order, Mr. Speaker.
What is the point of
There
order?
were specific allegations.
Honorable Ridon.
There were specific allegations relating to other regions outside of Calabarzon that are spending so much more during their elections. I think it is not based on truth. It is not based on fact. It should be stricken off the record. I move to strike that particular section out of the record, Mr. Speaker.
Oh.
Mr. Speaker, I believe I was interpolating and the Honorable J.J. Suarez was allowed to interject. May I proceed with my line of questioning? Lipat lang po ako dun sa...
Mr. Speaker, you have to decide on a point of order.
Majority Leader, there was a point of order raised by the Honorable Ridon.
Just for clarification, the point of order is to delete from the records.
Yes, to strike off from the record the allegation that other regions outside of Calabarzon are actually spending more than areas within Calabarzon. I think that is not based on fact. That is not based on truth. It should be stricken out of the record. That is the first point of order.
Majority Leader, please respond to the point of order.
Oh.
Move to strike out, Mr. Speaker.
Mr. Speaker, I move to strike out the comments made earlier.
Is there any
by
objection to
Honorable
the
Leviste.
motion? Chair hears none, said motion is carried.
Second point of order, Mr. Speaker. The speech by the good congressman from Batangas doesn't appear to be a speech relating to
Legislative.
personal and collective privilege. It has branched out to matters that are outside of it.
Yan.
So I think even this particular speech in its entirety should be stricken off the record, Mr. Speaker.
Majority Leader, there's another point of order.
Mr. Speaker, I move to strike out the...
Mr. Speaker, I object.
There was a motion, duly objected. Duly objected.
Oh.
We now put the motion into a vote to strike out entirely the privileged speech of the
Personal and collective.
personal and collective privilege of the Honorable Leviste. All
Lahat
those in
na yan.
favor, please say aye. All those against, please say nay.
Nay.
The ayes have it. Said the motion is now
Sorry,
approved.
I object. I think there are a lot of nays as well. Can we have a roll call vote?
Nasaan ba yung tubo?
Mr. Speaker, I move to suspend session. Sir, I would like to recognize the Honorable Janet Garin from the First District of Iloilo.
Di ba?
Nasaan ba yung tubo?
Puro yabang kasi tong hindot na si Leviste. Hindi, sa totoo lang naman kasi mga ka-eksena, ang layo na pinag-uusapan, sambanat mo, personal, tas wala namang katuturan at wala namang ebidensya. Di ba, Nelson Copino? Maraming salamat, ha. Love trip talaga to si Baby Bading. Tuloy tayo.
The Honorable Deputy Speaker Janet Garin is now recognized.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. Kanina po ay narinig natin ang motion ni Honorable Terry Ridon moving that the speech of the Honorable Leviste be stricken out of the records because it's not a matter of personal and collective privilege.
Correct.
May I appeal to the Honorable Terry Ridon that his motion be instead amended to a motion to delete the statements made by the Honorable Leviste, attributing to statements not being backed up by evidence.
Ah.
Specifically, the statements alleging that the campaign of Governor Recto
Mr. Speaker.
and other members of
Mr.
the party were financed by another party list congressman, and all other allegations that cannot be backed up by documents and evidence.
Correct.
Mr. Speaker.
Tama si Marcoletang Junior naman, si Piluco, epal na naman tong hindot na to eh. Manahimik ka dyan, Marcoleta. Lukulon to. Di ba? Yan yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina pa, anong umpisa. Pansin mo na walang kahit anong ebidensya yung hindot na si Leviste. Di ba? Oh.
Speaker.
Is there any objection?
Mr. Speaker, may I give a response before a vote is made
Is
on
there
that?
any objection?
na.
There is a motion.
I
Is there
object.
any objection?
I object.
The chair hears
I
none.
object. I object.
Let's put it
Congressman
into a vote.
Garjola gave money to
All
leaders of
those
my
in
district
favor
for
of
Vilma
the
and Lucky.
motion of the Honorable Garin, please say aye.
Politicians of Batangas can testify.
Ay!
Hey!
All those against?
Objection.
Motion is now carried. Honorable Majority Leader.
Yun yung una kasi kanina, inikli lang, pero ito yung kabuuan eh.
I proceed with my interpellation, Mr. Speaker.
Objection, Mr. Speaker.
Yun, si Marco Beta, oh.
Majority Leader. Majority Leader.
Privilege speech po yan. Bakit kailangan i-attach yung ebidensya agad?
Majority Leader.
Bakit nagsasalita yun? Hindi naman pinayagan, hindi naman recognize. Papansin talaga itong tangin si Marcoleta eh.
Mr. Speaker, session suspended.
Manifestation.
Mr. Speaker, would like to recognize Congressman Terry Ridon of Bicol Soro Party List.
The Honorable Ridon is now
Outside
recognized.
Batangas.
Majority Leader. Majority Leader. The Honorable Ridon is now recognized. Please
Kawawang
proceed.
bata.
No, we will defer to the next interpreter. Mr. Speaker.
Can you please repeat, sir?
We will defer to Deputy Speaker Garin. for
Okay, the Honorable
interpellation.
Janet Garin will have to continue since she was interrupted during the first sequence of her interpellations. Please proceed, Ma'am D.S. Garin.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. Sa atin, of course, kagalang-galang na kulig. Sana hindi mo masamain yung motion. Mr. Speaker, just to clarify, hindi ko po kinukontra. In fact, I'm a very good friend of the Honorable Leviste. But the only reason that I had to amend the motion of the Honorable Ridon is that meron po tayong proseso. And it's for the best interest of the Honorable Leviste to file a case, produce the evidence, rather than taking the rostrum and making allegations that cannot be documented. Pero
Di ba? Ang galing ko, no? Di ba? Hindi dyan ang venue para magnadaldal kang ina mo kang Leviste ka. Magkaso ka na. Di ba? Ba't di ka magkaso? Kasi nga walang ebidensya.
balik po natin. Mr. Speaker, pasensya na po kung Lian, meron po ba kayong away na politika sa Batangas? Or kayo po ay magkakasama?
Actually, ma'am, yung meeting ko with Congressman Garjola and Secretary Recto on April 15 or 16, as per my Facebook post, was for them to ask for my help for the campaign of Vilma and Lucky.
Yeah, I'm
After
sorry,
which,
Mr. Speaker, what year po? April?
2025,
So this was before?
para tulungan ko sila para sa 2025 election.
Ano?
Dahil ang panalo ni
Akala ko naman, ngayon taon, kaya nagtataka ako, bakit napunta sa botohan? Yun pala naman, last year pa!
Nasaan ba yung tubo?
Bakit ngayon ka lang sasalita? Baby bading! Oh my God, halatang halata mo mga kaiksena kung anong plano ni bakla. Sa totoong buhay lang, kaloka ka te. Gravity Hindi, ina-expect ko talaga, kasi ngayon ko lang pinanood to Akala ko latest. 2025 pa pala, bakla ka talaga. Dapat lang talaga yan sa'yo. Kaloka Siguro kung ako naging congresswoman, nakaganyan din ako, no? Mr. Speaker, ang inan to. Pauwi nyo na nga to, Mr. Speaker, kasi parang nakainom na naman to. Palayasin nyo na nga. Kung ayaw nyo, kakalad ka rin ko yan. Diba?
Kay Vilma, kay Mike Rivera, ay 7+% lamang. At nanalo siya sa aking distrito, at natalo pa nga siya sa ibang mga distrito. Kaya, pwede kong sabihin, kaya siya nanalo dahil sa panalo niya sa aking distrito.
So, what's the point? Anong pinaglalaban mo ba? Abnormal din talaga to eh.
Ako po ay may 75% ng boto, siya ay nakakuha ng 42% ng boto. Pero yung siguro relasyon namin ay naging fractured dahil baka feeling threatened. Siguro. Just my...
Threatened sa'yo? Natithreaten sa'yo sila? Wow Lalo pa ngayon, nalaman na yung katarantaduhan mo. Threaten? Wow, edi magkaalaman na lang kayo sa susunod na eleksyon. Ganun lang yun. Ikaw to ang threatened. Kasi panay ang sira mo, panay ang gawa mo ng kwentong patanga laban sa mga Recto at Santos. Oh, sino threatened dito?
Nasaan ba yung tubo?
Hindi ho ba? Oh.
Speculation, and sorry to delve into speculation, sila pagkatapos ng eleksyon. At ang isang halimbawa nito ay nung April 24, bumisita si Pangulong Marcos para sa bawat barangay makikinabang sa Batangas at may 84 barangays na hindi binigyan ng kanilang 200,000 pesos.
Yan na
Matanong
naman.
ko po, Mr. Speaker, 84 lang po ba ang hindi nakatanggap sa Batangas? Kasi dito sa records ko, lumalabas na 95.
Yung sa ibang distrito, hindi ko na po alam. Pero yung 84 na to ay lahat ng barangays sa dalawang bayan na nagsasabi, nag-submit sila, meron din kaming screenshots ng kanilang group chat na in-acknowledge na nag-submit sila, pero gumawa ng bagong group chat ang Liga ng Barangays ng Batangas na hiwalay sa dalawang bayan na to at sinabi daw na para lang sa mga bayan na ito ang bigayan. At sinabi sa kanila na ang Office of the Provincial Governor ay magdedesisyon kailan ibibigay yung 200,000 pesos sa mga barangays na ito.
Yeah. Balikan ko lang po yan, Mr. Speaker, distinguished colleague. Honorable Lian Leviste, ito bang 200,000 sa bawat barangay? Ang sinasabi mo ba ay merong piling barangay at hindi lahat ang binibigyan?
110% base sa mga inilabas na naming ebidensya at mabuti kung magpatawag ng pagdinig ang Kongreso para hindi lang he said, she said, para magkaalaman na tayo kung anong totoo.
Kasi Mr. Speaker, distinguished colleague, ako po ay tubong Leyte. At doon nga po sa Tacloban City, merong mga hindi nabigyan, hindi dahil sa politika, no? Kundi dahil hindi sila nakasubmit ng mga dokumento. At totoo po ba, Mr. Speaker, distinguished colleague, na merong ibang mga barangay na walang dalang resibo? Ang tanong ko, Mr. Speaker, kapag walang resibo po ba, pwedeng mabigyan ng ating DILG or DOF or whatever agency is tasked with that?
May I respond, Madam Speaker? Nasa Facebook page ko po yung screenshots ng group chat na nagsasabi.
Tinatanong ka. Sagutin mo kung makaka-claim ka ba ng pera kung may resibo ka o wala kang resibo. Pag walang resibo, makaka-claim ka ba? Post pinapakita mo. Loko-loko. Diba?
Na hindi kasali itong dalawang barangays. At sila po ay nag-submit. Meron din naman pong group chat na nagsasabi na nakapag-submit sila. Kaya base po sa matibay na ebidensya at
wala, napaka nang iyong sinasabi. Hindi klarado. Nakapag-submit sila, nakapag-ganto sila, pero hindi mo muna inalam kung meron bang problema. 'Di ba? Kaya hindi nag-submit pero may kulang. Nag-submit pero may mali, 'di ba? Na posibleng kaya hindi nakakuha. Ngayon, nagtanong ka sino hindi nakakuha at di nabigyan. Syempre, yung mga yan, sasagot, hindi po kami nabigyan. Tinanong mo ba kung may mali sa application nila? Tinanong mo ba kung dala nila yung resibo nila? Tinanong mo ba kung nakapunta ba talaga sila o may lakad sila?
Nasaan ba yung tubo?
Diba? Gina, maraming salamat Hindi ba Karen? Thank you.
ayon sa kanilang testimonya, sinabi sa kanila ng Office of the Provincial Governor na hindi talaga sila kasama. Kaya para you don't just take it from me,
Hindi totoo yan. Hindi ako naniniwala. Kasi nga proyekto ng gobyerno yan. Hindi ka pwedeng mamili dyan. Lahat ng barangay magkakaroon. Pwede ba yun? Abnormal din eh, no?
magpatawag na lang ng pagdinig ang Kongreso tungkol sa bagay na ito.
Mr. Speaker, distinguished colleague, kanina kasi narinig ko lang yung 6 billion at tila nakakaingit yung foundation ni Congressman Lian. Yung foundation niyo po ay namimigay ng tulong at ang 6 billion ay nanggaling po sa inyo.
Opo, at wala pong contractor na nagbibigay sa akin ng suporta para sa eleksyon.
We
Yun ang
have
punto
1
ko.
minute.
Saan yan? Sa solar lang.
Sinasamba yung tubo.
Honorable members, please wrap up.
So, Mr. Speaker, may I reiterate, ang 6 billion po ay donasyon nyo.
In cash and shares, at hindi ko po natapos pa ang aking bigayan. Tuloy-tuloy ang libreng serbisyo medikal nakaraang
Naganda utal-utal na, oh. Saan kaya galing yung 6 billion? Wawan, taray mo, libiste, ah. May 6 billion ka, ah. Wow. Take note, mga ka-eksena, ah. Bata pa yan. Yung nanay, naging presidente ba nanay nito? O, yung tatay. Parang mahirap paniwalaan. Saan galing yung 6 billion mo?
Sinasamba yung tubo.
Salin, baka naman.
linggo, nagbigay po tayo ng libreng serbisyong medikal sa medical mission sa aking distrito. Meron din tayong
Hindi naman yan ang tinatanong. Please wrap up. Sagutin mo, saan galing. Diba? Oh.
relief goods na inihahanda para sa darating na typhoon season. At kahit walang eleksyon, natutuwa lang ako na mamigay ng pera na alam ko ay galing sa malinis na panggagalingan.
At
Sinasamba yung tubo.
kapag sinabi niyo pong malinis na pinanggagalingan, saan po ito nanggaling, Honorable Lian?
Binenta ko ang shares sa aking kumpanya.
Sinasamba
At
yung tubo.
ako po ay may business career na nasa public record. At
Ano pong kumpanya ito, Mr. Speaker?
yung SP New Energy Corporation na binenta ko sa Meralco na lahat po ay nasa public record.
Sinasamba yung tubo.
At dito po
Madam
nanggaling.
Deputy Speaker, I believe we have exhausted too much time in
Yeah,
this topic.
thank you very much.
Please wrap
Pero
up.
Yes,
nananawagan
last
din ako na
question.
gumawa
O nga, ayun na naman siya, oh. Yan na naman siya, oh. Oh.
ng pagdinig
Last
ang Kongreso
question,
tungkol
Mr.
sa tagong
Speaker.
yaman ng ibang mga
Majority Leader.
kongresista. Dahil ako ay hindi
Mr.
nagtatago
Speaker,
ng aking mga
the time allotted for
Pero ang
Representative
ibang
Eliste has
kongresista-
already expired.
Yeah.
I move to refer the speech, including the manifestations and interpellations, to the Committee on Rules.
There's a motion of to refer the privilege speech to the Committee on Rules. An objection, Chair hears none. Motion is approved. Majority Leader?
Di ba?
I move to suspend the session.
Session suspended.
Mahabol po. Mahabol
Session
po.
is resumed. Majority Leader?
Ah.
Mr. Speaker, I would like to recognize Representative Laila De Lima.
Okay na, doon na yung kanina. Ang ganda na lang. Di ba? Bokya siya, di ba?
Sinasamba yung tubo.
Kakaawa ka naman, Lepeste. Diyos ko. Ay, nako. Mga ka-eksena, ako bibigyan ko kayo ng pagkakataon. One word. Anong masasabi nyo kay Lebiste? Okay, comment nyo dyan. Dali.